Hello, welcome to my channel. Day 45 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Review first. 搬家 move house. 半价 half price. 包括 include. 烧烤 barbecue. 做饭 cooking. 小吃 snack. Follow me to learn. 办法保安服务 Today, the first one, 办法办法 means method or way. This new method is on trial. 这个新办法正在试用。办法 method. 办法法办法 method. Next one, 保安 means security. 保安保波凹保安保安 security. Call the security, please. 叫保安来。保安人字旁口木宝盖头女保安 security. The third one for today, 服务means service. 服务What do you think of our service? 您对我们的服务有什么意见？服务月字旁物你 service. 办法 method. 保安 security. 服务 service. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your own DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.